Hey Dominic, just reaching out to see how you're doing. I was sad you canceled last session. I had such a great activity planned. Hopefully we can reschedule and complete that activity. I was wondering if you remembered the story of how BTS got started. There were 7 strangers who auditioned to join a boy band. They each had their own talents, but with the support and guidance of those around them, they became not only the top K-pop band in the world, but the top artist in the world. You remind me a lot like them, because you have great talent. You hit all your weekly goals, but with the support of those around you and my guidance, you can become the best in the world. You need to want it, and I know you do. Your potential is beyond that of any 7th grader I've ever worked with, and I want to help you develop into the person you want to be. Next session, I want to start by sharing the most interesting or craziest fact about BTS. You will share your favorite, and I will share my favorite too. See you soon, Dominic. Bye.